Solve the equations using the multiplicative inverse. Problem number 1. 4 times y equals 20. To solve this equation means we want to get the variable y to be alone on one side of the equation. Right now y is not alone because we have a coefficient 4 multiplying times y. The multiplicative inverse is to divide by 4. That will turn the coefficient 4 into a 1. And if we divide by 4 on one side, we need to divide on the other side to keep the equation balanced. So 20 will also get divided by 4. On the left-hand side, 4y divided by 4 equals 1y. And on the other side, we have 20 divided by 4 equals 5. 1 times y equals y, so our final solved equation is y equals 5. This equation is solved because the variable y is alone on one side of the equation. Y equals 5 is the value that makes 4 times y equals 20 true. Your turn. Use the multiplicative inverse to solve the equation in problem number 2. The equation in problem number 2 says 6 times x equals 24. The multiplicative inverse that will get the variable x all alone is to divide by 6, and we must do it on both sides. 6x divided by 6 equals 1x, and 24 divided by 6 equals 4. 1 times x is the same thing as regular x. X equals 4 is the solution, and that means that x equals 4 is the value that makes the equation 6 times x equals 24 true. Students, you already know how to solve equations using the multiplicative inverse. In this lesson, we will solve inequalities using the multiplicative inverse. We're going to do the exact same steps. We'll just have a different comparison symbol, no longer equations, but one of our inequality signs.